Good morning, good morning, good morning. We are southbound.
Southbound finally.
Yes, the rains have hit Oregon and we are just in search of some nicer weather, maybe for a month or more. We will be back for Christmas. So we left Newport yesterday, hit some friends on our way out of town. But we got notice last night that a package Dave has been waiting for from the Ukraine finally arrived in Newport. He's been waiting a few months for this package. So since we're so close to it, we're going to turn around and go back and pick it up.
I ordered these really nice hand-forged carving tools, a couple hook knives for the bowls and spoons, and a really nice carving axe from these blacksmiths in the Ukraine. And I expected it to take a few months, but because of COVID, the shipping took longer. So between the build time and the shipping time, it's been 12 weeks. And I thought, please be here before we head south. I built a carving axe block station I want to show you sometime here soon. And I wanted to have these new tools to carve with before we left, but it wasn't going to happen. So we got to a friend's house, spent the night, and last night we got a message that they tried to deliver it to her mom's house yesterday. And that's at the post office in Newport. It's like,
We are now turning around and going back to Newport.
It's 45 minutes back and I'm going to get those tools. So.
Yeah, we're this close. So while we're driving in, you guys check out our latest fishing adventure. Well, we ended up keeping one. You caught a lot though.
Yeah, a lot of small ones.
Yeah.
Well, there was a couple medium ones early on that I thought, man, if I catch a few more, they'd be worth keeping. So I'll wait for a bigger one, and I threw those back. And then it was like real small ones. That one double.
Yeah.
And then I caught that good sized one, and then it was just small ones after that. So.
Surf perch in Newport, Oregon.
A catch and cook. A carry-on vagabond catch and cook. That's the first, isn't it?
I think so. So this day started out really gray. It was raining and then it cleared up and now the sun is shining and it's beautiful, glorious day. So what'd you put on there? Just salt and pepper?
Just salt and pepper. It's a real delicate, mild fish. I just kind of want to not put a bunch of craziness on it. Taste the fish what it is. On a good, well-seasoned cast iron. Catch and cook red-tail surf perch.
Red-tail surf perch.
By Yakuna Head Lighthouse. Yes, that's almost a Beverly Beach right there. Oh,
so good.
I need a cold beverage right now.
Do ya?
You know, like iced tea or something?
Yeah, iced tea, that's what you're thinking. I love the crispy little bit on the outside from the cast iron. So good.
That's absolutely delicious. And I didn't try to put all kinds of seasonings and breading and flour or anything. That just a salt and pepper and
Yeah. Does it get any better than this? Catch and cook, baby. Pretty cool. That was fun. The weather has changed a bit. See this? Gray. Wet. Pistol's not thrilled.
she's thrilled to be in the band though.
Oh, she is. Yes. So, went to the post office. Dave got his goodies. Show and tell time. What do we got?
This is a hook knife, kind of an all-purpose hook knife for carving spoons, eating spoons, cooking spoons. 52-100 ball bearing steel.
Which translates to what? Super sharp and hard?
Good steel, long edge holding. But yeah, it's sharp.
Yeah.
And
What
then
else?
the other hook knife for eventually I want to do cookses, which is a style of cup. Or large serving spoons.
Mm-hmm.
This is a actual carving axe. It's got coated in wax for shipping, but this is a special angle. I think it's about 30 degrees I use for carving. That's the name of the forge. Sforog, something like that. But
The handle of the, I mean, the shape of the handle is pretty cool.
you can see how much bigger this is
Yes.
for carving.
Uh-huh.
My other one's maybe this big. So
Cool. It's the axe of
pretty
your
excited.
dreams.
So I do want to do, I never really have like done any, how to carve or anything like that in our videos. I've just shown some things, but and I'm not the best by any means, especially as far as someone to teach carving. But I do have, I've made an axe block, and I've got some new tools. I've got some wood in the freezer because I carve green wood and it stays green in the freezer because it's hard to find on the road. So I want to break everything out and maybe do some videos of me actually carving. And,
Yeah.
and if you like it, I can send you on to some resources for people to follow on Instagram or YouTube that you can really learn some really good techniques from. So anyway, I'm stoked, but I'm even more stoked to be heading south.
Southbound.
Visiting family and friends, that's always the hard part, but
The fact that we're going to be back in like a month is making it easier, right?
feels like a vacation maybe.
Yeah.
But
Let's roll. Next time we see you, we'll be hopefully into sunny weather.
yes,
Carry on.
carry on.